Hello everyone, welcome to another video, or just welcome if this is your first time. My name is Gal, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an Aritzia haul. And this is actually the first time I've ordered from them. I kind of needed some summer pieces. I've actually already tried them on, and I got some really cute pieces. So before I start, I want to thank LUISA for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm actually wearing their jewelry right now. And yeah, so I got to pick out this gorgeous necklace. This has like a heart-shaped charm, and I kind of wanted something different. I usually wear just like regular chains, and I think this one is so cute. And I also picked out these two rings. I really love to stack rings, and I got the mini rope ring and the Everly ring, and I just feel like they're really cute together. They really complement each other. What I love about Ana Luisa is that they're sustainable, they're carbon neutral, and they're very affordable. Their prices start from $39, and then they go up to more higher end pieces. But this necklace, the one I'm wearing, I think cost $59, and the rings are, I think, $59 and $39. So there's something there for everybody. And they also make a really great gift. They have so many unique pieces. And by the way, they also ship worldwide, and they also have options for fast shipping. So the jewelry comes in this small box, which is made from 100% recycled paper. And each jewelry piece comes in this small velvet bag. And if you want to get more information regarding their sustainability mission, you can go check out their website. So if you like any of these pieces, I have them linked in the description box below, as well as a 10% off discount code, which is GALBILLER10. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sending me these gorgeous pieces. Yeah, so let's get into my Aritzia haul. So the first thing I picked up is this bodysuit. I love bodysuits. I practically live in bodysuits, and I've been eyeing this one for such a long time. This one is called the Babiton contour bodysuit, and the material is like so soft, and it's also very stretchy. So this has kind of like a square neckline, and it is kind of like a thong. And yeah, and this is so comfortable, and they also have these in so many different colors. I literally didn't know which color to get, but I ended up getting this one. This is in the color Warm Sand. And yeah, and I got this in size small. And I also think this would look so cute with like white jeans or white shorts. On the website, there is a section kind of that says fit in size, I think. And it tells you if it's true to size, or if it runs big, or if it runs small. I think this was true to size. It actually does fit me really well, and I just love this bodysuit. So I am totally going to get more of these in many different colors. And I also picked up this super cute TNA Cozy Fleas sweatshirt. These are so comfortable. I love being comfortable, and I love being in sweats, especially since COVID. I've like been in sweats all the time. So these are sweat shorts, and I think they'll be so comfortable like for running errands or just like every day in the summertime. And yeah, and they're so cozy. And I also got this in a size small. And by the way, these are high-waisted, and they're the 3-inch ones. So these are so comfortable, and I kind of want matching sets just for like day-to-day stuff. So I got this one, and I am going to be wearing them with this TNA cropped tank top. It's like kind of like a spaghetti strap. And yeah, so this is from their TNA fabric, I think. Let's see, yeah, it says TNA, and the fabric is really, really soft. And I also got this in size small, so I could wear it as a set with my white sweat shorts, or I could just like wear this under a cardigan or just whatever for just like day to day. Another top I absolutely love is this one. This is their Willifred Free to go or go-to top. So this is a ribbed crew neck, and I just love this color. This is the olive beige one, and I just need now, since summer is just around the corner, just get like lots of tank tops, lots of t-shirts for the summertime, and I just love the fit of this one. Like everything I got here is like so nice. Like the material is so nice on everything. I just love everything I got. So this one also in size small. I got everything here in size small, and also it's really, really comfortable, just like for the summertime. And I'm also probably going to get more of these. And lastly, I picked up some bike shorts since it's the season already. And I also really love wearing bike shorts in the summertime. I just like to wear whatever is comfortable. So the first one I picked up is the TNA Better Atmosphere short. It says high-rise 5-inch short. So actually I wanted to get the TNA Life, but it was out of stock in the color white in the 5-inch ones. So I picked up the TNA Better, and I also kind of wanted to see the difference between the Better and the Life, which I also have right here. These are the Life ones. So these ones are the TNA Life Atmosphere, and these are the high-rise 7-inch short. They also didn't have it in 5-inch, so I got the 7-inch ones. So yeah, so I think the difference here is this is more kind of like a jersey material, and this is like more of a like a buttery kind of material. Both of them are extremely soft, but the buttery one are like more, even more softer. So yeah, and in terms of the length, I think I prefer the 5-inch ones. I just think they look better on me, especially because I'm not very tall. Yeah, so these are in white, and I don't know, I think like I was afraid to get them in white because I feel like they're a little bit see-through. I think I just like have to get like somewhere, I don't know, find something to wear underneath that won't like show through. These are, like I mentioned earlier, these are the 7-inch ones, and these are in the color Icy Gray. And yeah, and I think the color is like really unique, and I think these would be so comfortable just like for day-to-day stuff. And that's pretty much it. So thanks again to Ana Luisa for sending me these gorgeous pieces. And if you want to check them out, you can click on the link in the description box below, as well as use my discount code for 10% off. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my Aritzia haul. And yeah, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.